If you are looking for a perfect location to launch or grow your business, imagine being a part of the vibrant, brand new retail center in the heart of DeSoto, Texas. Welcome to the shop at Wintergreen, located at 1314 West Wintergreen Road. This center is ready to deliver the key at this month, September 2025. The landlord will deliver the space to you with HVAC installed on the rooftop, with plumbing rough-in provided, demising walls between each tenant, and electric panel ready for you to start your business and saving money and time. The center is just 3 minutes away from major freeways, 5 minutes away from Methodist Charlton Medical Center, and 20-minute drive from downtown Dallas, ensuring the traffic flow to your business. This center has 19,000 square feet with the minimum demised to 1,500 square feet and available at really competitive rental rate. Don't miss this opportunity to be at center of it all. Give me a call and schedule a tour and secure this spot for your business at the prime location. Thao Nguyen DFW.